elevator, but the levels don't stop. The zombie took over. No!
Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha.
You know,
10 seconds to run.
what? As long as you're in here, we both can suffer.
Yo, let us out. You know what? Since you're all in here, get sugar fired. I better get sugar fired. Wee.
Alright, explosions then.
Jeez, what was that? Jeez.
I have the pack-up war machine.
It's not fair. How is he up there? It's not fair. So he's so lucky he's not in this cage. He's all by himself. Getting all the kills and everything.
Wait, so when it realizes there's no zombies, does it skip around?
Wait, green arrow, come out, get in the elevator, get in the elevator. Come on, get in the elevator.
If you were smart, you would just hold a grenade. And we don't revive you. Never mind, he hurt me. He hurt me.
Come on, it won't let me kill myself.
You have God mode now. You're forever a god.
Wow. It's the first time I've ever saying this, but I don't want God mode. Let me not have God mode. I ran out of grenades anyway. Can I blow up claymores? I want to know. Damn, I can't even blow that up. Oh! Damn!
It's a suicide mission. Can you kill us?
Yeah, he just killed me.
Like, can you shoot us and kill us? Locked up, they won't let me out. I outplayed the game. Too legit to quit.
Behind you.
Ah! Ah! No. No.
The other kid's so stuck.
No.
This nigga off the map. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Look how the cage looks.
Come on, just end the game. No, end the round, I mean.
Yeah, let's skip around. Let's go to round 1001.
Yeah, let's do that. Do it.
He's going crazy. He's going psycho because he has nothing else to do. Can you fling the cage? Like, you just fling it out of the map? Fling them out. You should fling them out the map.